Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Aaj Ka School, and today we are starting a new playlist on the science book of grade 5 from the chapter 1 to the end chapter, and we are all going to do it chapter by chapter, part by part and step by step so you can improve your science skills. This playlist will all be about growing class chapter number 1, and this is going to be the part 1. So we are going to learn only 4 things, okay, and the 5th one will be the ending. So let's figure out what all will be there, right? So first is what is germination, next is the process. Then we're going to learn the fun fact that is going to be very fascinating. Then the seed dispersal. And finally the ending. You really would want to know the amazing fun fact, but for that, you need to learn what is a germination. So firstly guys, the process of seed that develops into new plant is called germination. The simple process of the baby plant that grows into a beautiful plant or a beautiful tree, that is called as germination. A very easy definition, but the process is something that you all should know because that is something that can come exam and have high chances. So let's study this. So firstly, you can see this diagram, right? So just like us humans need water, food, air, and shelter, the seed needs air, water, warmth. So when they get it, here you can see this part, here the water is being poured, the warmth is over here, and this is the air. So here, because of all this, you can see that the soil is coming out. Its roots are growing. You can see that. So firstly, this is the seed coat. You can see the seed coat. So it breaks out sometimes. It breaks out, and what happens? That the root becomes larger and it emerges. Then this is the cotyledon, right? So what happens? You can see what happens. See, first when the seeds sprout and the leaves flourish, the little cotyledon comes out, and because of this, they grow into a stem, and then they have these leaves that are looking magnificent. So this is the small process of how the seed germinates, right? So this is the process. Now, there are more steps, but we will learn only till these 5 steps. So now, what will happen? If you plant too many seeds together, what will happen? If that happens, they will start fighting for the basics like water, air, and sunshine. And that's what, this can lead to a plant graveyard, and it will ruin all the fun, and it will remove all that, and all can be like this. It will unflourish. So that's why some plants have come up with genius ways to scatter the seed far and wide. So now that you have understood, let me tell you the fact. So if you know that if plants grow near ocean, the seed can be transported by ocean currents over long distance. So those seeds can be dispersed as far as other continents, which means that a single seed, a single plant, it can be carried away so far like other continents. Isn't that surprising? So now we are going to talk about seed dispersal. This is the process by which plant seeds are transported to new locations for germination and growth. Just like I said, plants know that if they are close to each other, they will fight. Thus, they disperse into different locations. So guys, we did the part 1 and we have completed it. So watch me for part 2. Thank you. Now if you have any questions, just type it in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you for asking questions because you're free to ask it and you know that your curiosity can be satisfied. So thank you so much. Bye.